I am hosting Hollywood Reporter Honors. How many star rating for my hosting? बस में.
What's 5
5 guys, that's it. कभी नहीं मिलेंगे इसके बाद. किसी को नहीं मिलेंगे.
No, it's my camera. We have to see it. Oh my God, you got married? Go Rajat! Yay! Yay!
Give a big hand to Vicky Kaushal. नेहा को स्क्रिप्ट पे रहने दो. ये स्क्रिप्ट के ऑफ गई ना, ये बहुत तहलका मचा देगी ये.
All right, are we ready to play Vivo Meter?
I'll try.
I have just made myself a casting call. It's a wrap. आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं? I am hosting the very first Hollywood Reporter Honors, जो इंडिया में पहली बार हो रहा है. And I'm so glad Anupama has given me this opportunity to host this lovely award show. बहुत सारे लोग आने वाले हैं. सिर्फ the ones who are going to win. Say only nice things about me in this camera. मैंने नहीं बोला guys. It's Anupama Chopra. Yeah. How many star rating for my hosting? बस में.
What's 5
5 guys, that's it. कभी नहीं मिलेंगे इसके बाद. किसी को नहीं मिलेंगे. Mansi doesn't like being on camera. वो लिखती है, लेखक है, राइटर है. राइटर बाप होता है, राइटर बाप. Let's take it again because this is technical for me. मेरे को एक समझ आ गया, मुझे सब समझ. Cue it to Imtiaz Ali. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Imtiaz Ali. अभी हम हॉलीवुड रिपोर्टर का डिजिटल कवर शूट करने वाले हैं. बेसिक मेकअप वन काइंड ऑफ है, क्विक चेंजेस, ट्राई एंड कीप देम कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग, तो ऐसे लगेगा कि बड़ा लुक चेंज है. नर्वसनेस इज ऑलवेज देयर एंड आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक edgy and nervous on the day of hosting a show, especially a big one like this. Black Warrant is there. There's Bads of Bollywood, cast and crew, Kantara, there's Chava, there's so many other films that are winning tonight. जब आप अकेले स्टेज पर होते हैं तो हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. Otherwise you can also lean on your co-host, co-anchor, but आज कोई सहारा नहीं है सिवाय इस खीरे के. I want to tell you what's in my डब्बा. खीरा था, मैंने काफ़ी सारा खा लिया है. आई प्रेफर वेजिटेरियन फूड. सबसे पहले तो रोटी, कीटो आटा, नो ग्लूटेन. सेकंड, वाओ यम, पनीर की सब्जी, मटर पनीर, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट. एंड रस्से वाली गोभी. 2 चपातीज, खीरा, दही, मटर पनीर एंड रस्से वाली गोभी. दही आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम, बट एवरीथिंग एल्स आई विल ईट. How are you feeling right now? कितने ड्राफ्ट लिख लिए?
Lucky 13.
Lucky 13. हाँ.
एक और ड्राफ्ट कर लो ना यार.
नहीं, लकी है हमारे लिए. अगर आपको लगता है 13 आपके लिए अनलकी है, कमेंट्स में लिखिए जरूर. सयारत अन्ना नहीं है. ना मोचुरी मेरे को गाते सुन के तो
Copyright claim आ जाएगा.
कॉपीराइट क्लेम नहीं, राइट क्लेम आ जाएगा उसके ऊपर. यू हैव नो राइट टू सिंग दिस सॉन्ग सो बैडली. The ultimate Kela, the restaurant is full of people and they have thrown us out.
Why?
Because they said you can't shoot. Like literally I've gone
टाइम में
through
खाली
like
था
this.
ना.
The manager has
अभी-
gone in front of everyone. हमारी बेइज्जती हो गई है.
अभी जब जैसे
Like, it is
event
the
चल रहा था
Kela
वैसा हो
of the
गया.
thing.
प्राइवेट फंक्शन तो अलग एरिया ही था.
अरे नहीं ऋषि,
यहाँ पे
प्राइवेट
बड़े
नहीं,
हैं
प्राइवेट में बेइज्जती होती तो और बेटर होता था. ये तो पब्लिक में बेइज्जती हुई है. You need a master stroke. Guys, I just want to tell you, she's my stylist. She has stepped on my outfit. Oh my God, बेइज्जती करा दी थी. Big night tonight and congratulate. Yeah. Neeraj, hi. How are you? You can't show.
Context to I can show you.
Show
Context
us.
to what you were saying also.
There's a camera on over here. I just want to tell you.
Oh, there's a camera on us. Yes, I can show you. Can I show you that?
No, it's my camera. We have to see
Oh,
it.
it's your camera.
Yeah.
Then to 100%.
No, we have to. He's showing us something. Show. Oh my God, you got married?
Oh, that's a key ring, not a ring. Okay, okay, then it's fine. It's on camera. Khatam, खेल खत्म. Guys, it's not a ring. It's a key ring with a special key. Mona, hi. Good. Congratulations on everything. Yeah. I'm just watching the show right now. Yeah. बताना नहीं इसके आगे पीछे. Yeah. But such a good show, and you're so good at it.
Thank you.
So good. Thank you. Go Rajat! Yay! Yay! Hi, how are you?
Oh my God.
Good to see you, man.
You and your husband, I very fond of. Come.
I'll do a quick two with you and then go.
Neha Dhupia, welcome to the honors, and you are really a part of the honors and the center of our stage. You are our host for the evening.
Yes, I am, and thank you very much, Sneha. It's all because of you and Anupama. Especially after becoming a mom, hosting shows is really, really easy for me. But the part that makes me really nervous is that now for the next 3 hours, I can't check my phone. So I'm like, don't slow down, hurry up, get to the other side, it's bedtime.
Neha, I was going to write you today.
You're coming on stage? Guys, everybody, I just want to tell you, that's my friend, Apurva. He's the CEO of Dharma Productions. I'm not being bitchy. He really is. This is my camera.
Oh, this is your camera.
Yeah, he's the CEO, guys. Apurva, everybody. Yeah.
And he's a big celebrity whom we
I
all
will be
love.
printing his phone number here, guys. Call.
Anytime, all the time.
Yeah. Kya hai, Shanu? Shanu. If you don't know who Shanu Sharma is, casting director. हर एक फिल्म जो अमेजिंग लगती है आपको, सब चीज़ों की कास्टिंग यही करती हैं. मुझे किस चीज़ में कास्ट किया उन्होंने? ये भी. Hi Imtiaz, how are you?
How are you?
Good. I'm Neha Dhupia, actor, producer, mom, host, and the bad guy from Single Papa. Hoping that most of you have seen it. And I'm your host for this wonderful evening where we are celebrating excellence in storytelling in 2025 and the artists who made that happen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first edition of the Honors. I believe you shaved your head even before you got cast for Cough?
Yeah, it was a tricky one. Luckily, I got the role.
Oh yeah. You've just got to rate some films and extra points if you rate them like poo minus.
See, I told you, no?
No, I know.
I'm never going to live this down. Please sit down. Please, no, she has to sit down.
No, she's gone away. Yeah. All right, are we ready to play Bebo Meter? Okay.
I'll try.
All right, your first one is K3G.
11 out of 10.
Okay, जब we met. 100 out of 10.
बस
ये सब आगे निकल गए.
Shabana aunty is
ये
already
ladies
said.
लोग ना
100 out of 10
हमेशा ही
Imtiaz.
आगे निकल जाते हैं.
I'll rate my performance 10 on 10.
Okay, fine.
It's Bebo style, you said.
Yes.
So I'm such an admirer of yours, sir. So thank you so much.
अनिल सर से ये लेने में बहुत खुशी होता है क्योंकि बहुत साल पहले अनिल सर का जो करियर शुरू हुआ था कन्नड़ा इंडस्ट्री से, सो उनसे आज कांतारा के लिए थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Can you come on stage, please, Vicky? I want to add little youth. Please give a big hand to Vicky Kaushal. He's been phenomenal in all the films. मेरी भी तारीफ. See, Indian film industry के एक ही छावा है. Chhawa in the way that Mumbai knows. So there's only one Chhawa, which is Anil Kapoor Saab, and he's a true inspiration for all of us. And thank you, sir. I just want to take this moment. This is the second time I've come on stage and he's standing. The first time that it happened was he had given me the best debut award. 10 years later, we're standing together here again. Thank you so much.
What a moment this is.
25 years के बाद भी भाई यहाँ खड़ा रहूँगा. 25 years के बाद मैं आपको debut award दे सकता हूँ.
Thank you very much, Vicky.
You can ask questions to both of us, okay?
No, I mean,
Add some star value. नेहा को स्क्रिप्ट पे रहने दो. ये स्क्रिप्ट के ऑफ गई ना, ये बहुत तहलका मचा देगी ये.
It's a wrap.
You can have it.
Can I?
You should take it.
Yay! And the honors for
We have
hosting.
plenty.
Yeah.
Killing it.
Look at him. He said we have plenty. Yeah. I have just made myself a casting call. Anya,
Hello, how good are you?
how good are you? Always.
Coming to damn nicely, yeah? Didn't fumble, didn't get nervous, didn't anything.
I fumbled on 2 words.
No, but
He को she को बोल दिया मैंने.
2 words is what, dude?
You were so good. जब तेरे को गोली लगी थी ना मेरे को भी बहुत. I'm like किसको मरना नहीं चाहिए था. God, I can't believe you're going to do fittings now for another event. I'm exhausted. Guys, firstly, huge round of applause. We all did well. कल flight कितने बजे की है ऋषि?
6:25.
You are on the 6:25 and I am on the
5:25.
On that note, guys, कल फिर से सूरज चढ़ेगा. कल एक और दिन है काम करने का. But thank you for all the love. Always like, share, subscribe, comment. And for the rest of you, जो अगर आपको पूरा हॉलीवुड रिपोर्टर का ये शो देखना है, आप देख सकते हैं हॉलीवुड रिपोर्टर के YouTube चैनल पे. It's a lot of fun, so please watch it there. And yeah, for the rest of it, I love you guys.